Hello. Today I'm going to share the Gayatri Mantra with Mudras. It is said that the best time to chant the Gayatri Mantra is when your heart is overflowing with love for the divine. It's also a great practice to do if you want to cultivate more love and light in your life. It's a beautiful celebration, and it's a really deep practice when you can integrate the physical mudras that go with each syllable of the Sanskrit mantra. As you learn the hand movements, you'll notice that the mantra resonates even more deeply in your life. Today, first, we're going to go through what the mantra means, and then I'm going to show a slow version of each mudra. The word mudra means seal. When we do each of the hand positions, it creates a certain energetic experience in the body. Try it yourself and see how it feels for you. This mantra has deep symbolic significance. It's a very ancient mantra. In India, each morning you can hear it being played from the houses as the day wakes up. It's an excellent way to start the practice and really open your heart first thing in the morning. This is a translation of the Gayatri Mantra. There are many translations, but this one is particularly poetic and beautiful. We meditate upon the glory of the undivided essence that pervades and illuminates the worlds of experience, the physical, astral, and celestial realms of existence. We recognize the glory, splendor, and grace of that effulgent essence that shines within us. We pray for that final liberation, the awakening of ourselves as that undivided essence which underlies and pervades the entire universe. So as we share each of these sacred ancient syllables, remember this uncovering of the divine within ourselves so that we may live as true expressions of this love and of this light. We'll now move through a slow version of each mudra. Go ahead and play along while we're moving through them. You can start out by bringing your hands together in prayer position for the Om. Then bring the fingertips together. The hands come back into prayer. And then you bring the pinky pads of the fingers to touch. Move through each of the pads of the fingers and then separate the pinky fingers. After this, bring the knuckles back and down, thumbs touching. Then bring the palms out in an open, receptive position. Flip the hands upside down, bring the pointer fingers and thumbs together. Interlace the pointer fingers one direction, then the other. Then interlace the fingers one direction, the other. Stack the hands, sweep the hands down, around, and then bring the thumbs together like this. After this, we're going to open up the hands. On the left hand, you're going to make a backwards L, and the right hand is going to form the sign language for I love you. Place the right thumb on the left wrist near the pulse, the pointer right finger on the left thumb, and the pinky on the left pointer. Then sweep the hands around, making a steeple with the right pointer finger and thumb. After this, release the hands out to the side. Now place the left hand on the right elbow, forming a fist with the right hand. Then release the elbow, bring the fingers into chin mudra. Drop the right hand down onto the knee, and there you have all of the Gayatri mudras. We're now going to chant the full Gayatri Mantra together. If at some point you get confused, you can always go back to the slower version of the Gayatri mudras. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Just try to jump in. The more times you practice the mantra, the easier it will become. Start out in prayer position with the hands in front of the heart. Take a deep inhale. Om Bhurбhuvah Suvah Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Diyo Yo Na prachodayate. Om Bhuvasuvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dio Yo No Prachodayate. Om Bhuvasuvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dio Yo No Prachodayate. Om Bhuvasuvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dio Yo No Prachodayate. Om Bhuvasuvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dio Yo No Prachodayate. Om Bhuvasuvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dio Yo No Prachodayate. Om Bhuvasuvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dio Yo No Prachodayate. Pause for a moment, feeling the resonance of the chant. If you'd like, you can sink back now to deep meditation, or you can prepare for your pranayama practice, whatever feels right to you. Namaste.